The number 6 is the ultimate number of space, volume, and time. The cube, with its 6 surfaces, is the model of Earth. As such, she represents the universe's womb as well as Earth. 6 is the cosmic number of the material world, and therefore is the number chosen by the Egyptians to symbolize both time and space. Dear esteemed, honorable, noble, and notable viewer, time and space are 2 sides of the same coin, which is perfectly represented in the science of astronomy and its application, astrology. Scientists now agree that there is a very close connection between space and time. So close that you can't have one without the other. It is commonly understood that the figure of a cubical box represents the restraint of human potential. It is commonly understood that the figure of a cubical box, a 6-sided surface, represents harmonic universe number 1, dimension 3. The Egyptian was highly conscious of the box-like structure, which is the model of the earth, or the material world, the 3rd dimension. Oftentimes, the 3rd dimension can be understood as, from a consciousness standpoint, as a dimension of absolutes, of right and wrong, of good and evil, of my way or the highway. The ancient Egyptian, and in particularly the ancient Egyptian versed in alchemical studies, was highly conscious of the box-like structure, which is the model of the earth and the material world that it consists thereof. This form of statuary, called the cube statue, you may be familiar with this if you've gone to a museum lately, or perhaps you have your own cube statue, was a type of statue prevalent since the Middle Kingdom. The subject was integrated into the cubic form of the stone, thus cube statue. In these cube statues, there is a powerful sense of the subject emerging, of the subject rising from the confinement of the cube, just as the metahuman rises from harmonic universe number 1 and brings heaven to earth. But this cube statue and the depiction from a 3rd dimensional perspective provides a powerful sense of the subject emerging from the confinement of the cube, which is representative of physicality of harmonic universe number 1, the 3rd dimension. Its symbolic significance is that the spiritual principle is emerging, rising from the material world. The earthly person is placed unmistakably in material existence. Cultivation of the desired virtues has the effect of liberating the aspirant from the material world by emerging from the box, by emerging from harmonic universe number 1, by rising from the 3rd dimension, the lower self, your lower energy construct, your animal nature. The divine person is shown sitting squarely on a cube, mind over matter. And so it is.
Namaste, Namaskaram.